Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I want to show you how fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store on your Realme GT6. When you have the same problem as mine, you search your game but you don't have it there, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store and tap on your photo on the right corner. There are settings, family and parental controls. In it, as you can see now, we have page 3, 2 visible game or application as Mobile Legends games. We need more than page 3. To change it, press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control, and we can easily change it by tap to page 16, page 6 maybe, confirm I got it and save. Now we can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, and it is visible right now and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!